by the dawn's
early light. Go, Josie.
Walked so proudly
We hail at the twilight's last gleaming,
bright stripes
and bright stars, the perilous night.
and the land.
Whoa!
You're lucky getting to stay up late tonight.
Here. Come on now, so I can like her. Get over here a little bit. Don't get it close to her.
There you go, guys.
Oh yeah. It keeps on ticking. Oh, look.
Mama, look, I'm on this mark. I think you were watching people. Slow down.
One thing's what? Smoke don't. Lucky, they're twirling.
Yeah, make golden circles.
Whoa, it leaves behind.
Yeah, that's
Right.
golden sparklers. Makes a pretty line. What are we doing? What am I doing with this? Okay, don't you put it in my
I'm doing it. Wait. Wait.
Oh my God, two hands. Yeah, I'll do one of those in my hand. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm not doing one of them things.
No, I will. People, I've seen people
That's all
shoot
it is.
each other.
Yep.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
All right, fine. If Elisa comes, then I can. I'll hold the Roman candle. I feel like the Statue of Liberty right now.
Back. What? What?
No, aim towards the tree.
Well, wait.
That's awesome.
Hey,
Done?
Wait!
you gotta do it, didn't you?
Grab another sparky.
Yeah, get one. Oh,
Uh-oh.
watch out, Callum.
Is it a big one? Is it a big one?
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a biggie. Oh, my drink got dumped over.
And that's what I stepped on.
Hey, like,
There you go. Oh, yeah.
yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Holy crap. Someone's gonna burn.
That was good. I got that.
Like, what are these things?
Put it to the ladder.
Number platinum brown one. We don't know.
Okay, I gotta put these things down. I'm holding them too long.
Yup. Swing it in circle or a figure eight.
Oh. That was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Look, it's smoking open.
Are you sure I can throw these ones you take on the ground?
Oh, that's airplane.
Look at it. It's coming this way.
I never get in these videos. What do they do? Oh,
Take this one. Hurry.
Oh, here?
What's going on?
Ooh. Hey, look, I'm holding sparks. Alright.
What's Lisa doing?
Yeah!
Oh yeah, look at that.
Green smoke.
I've never gone through a 4th of July and not burnt myself. Like, home Trinity. It does stink. She's like, pewy.
Open them things up.
It only burns for a minute. Throw some more alcohol on that burn. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is awesome. I'm actually getting videos of the fireworks. I can't believe that. Nice camera. I never can get that stuff.
Really? All?
We have not been saving beer bottles.
Come here.
Is that another Roman candle?
Hit them on. You got one more.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! That was loud.
Oh, God, that was a good one.
That was beauty.
See, we need to get some of the big ones going more, like, so we can get them to go boom, boom.
Yeah.
All right, well, you just go there and boom, boom.
Well, I'm not saying I want
Hey.
anyone to light them.
She wants to be it.
I'm terrified of fireworks.
Light that whole box at one time. Just light the box on fire.
Party time.
Excellent.
Sean hit me.
One more this.
I put them down over here somewhere. Here, why
You want to go, Hollywood? Let's not touch you.
Get away from us.
Hey, I got the perfect thing. Oh, it don't stink.
You'll be all right.
Yes, it does, and it's stinky.